I ain't gonna lie, they did the candy bars kind of dirty.
It
These
says,
three give
you
about
are
3/4
thirsty.
health.
You are thirsty.
Yep. Same.
I just have to go to a stream. What about this boat right here? Can I take this fucking boat?
I don't think so.
Alright.
Damn it.
I am good now. I just need some food, to be honest, but...
How do you eat the bar in your pack?
You hover over it and push L2.
Okay, I see it.
Hopefully this pussy bitch on the boat has fucking more snacks. Or on the raft.
Alright.
There's a MRE and some flares
Where?
Where at?
on that raft.
Oh, yeah, bet.
Oh, where the pistol is?
Yeah, and there's some more MREs close to that. Over here. Follow me.
Hey, fuck you, guy.
Love you too, guy.
Come on, pussy bitch.
Or whatever that fucker, whoever just fucking cut me while I had my shit open.
Throw my fucking spear from here. Probably won't even touch you.
Dude.
Aim high.
That's the only reason why I hate fucking using...
seagulls and you can get.
I hate holding
fucking,
down a toggles, like a toggle.
Oh, yeah.
I hate holding it down. I'd rather just hold down a button.
Are we gonna send out groups of 2 or some shit?
Ugh. Ugh, fuck, I farted.
About 1 experience, 1 not so experience each. That's what I would do.
That would be smart, yeah.
That's why we stick Pearson with beavers.
Oh fuck. So he wants to die.
So, Miguel's a pussy bitch is what that sounds like. He's like, I didn't want to die.
Oh, Pearson gonna get
Oh, no.
fucking killed.
Oh fuck yeah.
Fuck, I have too many tarps.
Oh, I wish I could steal this water bottle for later.
I don't care who I go with, as long as we can get this shit done.
Alright, somebody come with me. Let's go get this fucking deal.
Damn, you can carry more pills now too? That's crazy. God damn it. Somebody get me up. Motherfucker, dude. Somebody gonna get me up or what?
Wait, what? Oh, what the hell?
I hit the propane tank and blew up in my face.
I got 2 grenades now.
Well, while you're doing
you
that,
get
I'm
your
going to get the 9mm.
There's grenades over here.
Where?
9mm?
Right
Oh,
there.
shit. You didn't say nothing!
Damn, he just left.
There's 9mm over here too?
9mm pistol. What, ammo?
There's a 9mm rail over there and 9mm ammo.
Where's
there's-
the real?
I got the rail.
The rail's in his hand.
Got 8 bullets.
I must have already picked it up then.
Alright, swim halfway and then wait for me to pass and then somebody else do it.
Coming right now.
How do I stay above water, or does it do it for me?
Just don't hold your analog stick down. Just swim under.
Don't look down.
I guess we're all going.
Oh, fuck. I got bit by a shark. No, I'm down! No! Fuck, I should have took some goddamn pills. Somebody get me up, please. God.
I don't know how to swim that far down.
You don't swim down. Hold on. You got one coming at you right now.
Fuck him.
Alright.
Get me in!
You gotta fucking jump in.
Get me in, bitch!
Oh, fuck, I just got
How are you just gonna swim past me like that, Pearson, you bitch?
That was me.
Cause you got fucking bit.
Yeah.
Fuck you, faggot.
Damn it, it won't let me in.
You both just swam past me? That's fucking crazy.
There we go.
I guess we'll just fuck off.
Oh. That's fire.
Nah, there's a shark fixing to fucking eat your feet.
I bet.
I fucking shot his ass in the head.
He's got a walkie-talkie too, or a GPS
Alright.
locator. That's what that is.
So who wants to be the fucking hero to save dipshit over here? I guess I'll do it if y'all cover
Yeah.
me.
I'll try.
Those pussies that do goddamn
Shoot them in the
shit.
head, they die as soon as you hit them.
And I'm about to die anyways. I literally got a sliver of health left.
If you see it rip on the water, he's coming after me. I'm coming, buddy. Hold on.
I can't hold on anymore, and I'm already fucking holding
Killed
on.
one.
Yeah, I'm up.
Come on. I'm
You got-
swimming back, so
I'm swimming back too. I need to go take pills before I go out there.
Can we fucking?
pills
Can we,
won't do
like-
nothing.
Can we float this thing back? Or what?
No. You have to swim back. Pills ain't gonna save you. You have to have aloe vera and yarrow, or aloe vera, yarrow, and something else to make health
I just
cure.
need more health.
Well, you gotta have aloe vera for that.
Ah, I'm almost there, boys. Ah! Get up, get up,
Where
get
did
up.
my gun go?
Come on.
Why am I struggling so goddamn hard to get up there? Oh, he almost got me.
I can't move.
He almost got my ass. I already
Yeah,
jumped.
no. I was trying, but fucking Pearson had me pinned down.
Yay.
Who's talking about?
You fucking move, you fucking cocksucker.
Can I get off? I'll swim out.
Thank you. Get the fuck out.
Can I get off? Oh. No? That's not how you get off. Oh, that is. I'm coming back. Watch for the shark, please.
Who's gonna watch for the shark for me?
Bitch boy.
I'm already halfway there.
Oh, fuck. Just swim back. Fuck it. YOLO.
I'll pop some pillies. I got half health, so hopefully it fucker. Eh.
Damn, bitch boy. Holy shit.
What? I ain't getting fucking bit today. Fuck you.
I want to catch this fish.
This fucker better not attack me. I'm halfway back. Okay. Too shallow.
You got it, bro. You got it, bro. Keep coming.
Up, bitch. You left me to
Keep
die.
coming.
I'm gonna
All right.
remember that.
I didn't leave you to die.
You did, bitch. You swam right past me and didn't even fucking try.
Get away from me, bitch.
Oh.
I feel like that feather might be important too.
Yeah, to make arrows.
Bitch.
Stuck in his ass.
So how do I make the fucking shit again?
Make what?
The spear?
You gotta go
Oh,
to
I
your
see
sticks, push R2, or yeah, R2, RT,
RT.
the right bumper for 2 sticks. You need
And the
tape
knife.
and the knife. There you
Okay.
go.
How much tape do I need?
Should be 1 roll.
Okay. How do I... So just... No.
You
I
gotta,
combined them all, but it
there
didn't
you go
work.
and equip it. You gotta push that little gear wheel.
I got C2.
What?
You gotta push that little gear wheel.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that one.
Oh shit! I'll take some of that.
How do I up my strength? My strength is really low right now.
I don't know.
Meds and MREs.
Yay, we have a turtle shell so we can make water now. Better come to eat some of this turtle, pussies.
Yep, that's what I'm
I am. That's what I'm doing right now.
You're eating it. Oh, Beaver's is eating it all. Per usual.
Yep.
You fat ass.
Hey, fuck you, pussy.
Hey,
If
Kelvin's here.
R2, does that mean that you're fucking like gonna hit it harder?
What?
Wait, what?
Like if you hold down R2.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you dead, dumbass.
Hey, another turtle. Can we not fucking
Eat
store
this.
it for later?
No.
You used to be able
You have
to,
to
but I
eat it.
guess not anymore. Damn, we
Son
only
of a
carry
bitch.
one turtle shell now? We need that for cold water. Why would you do this?
Wait.
Crucify him.
He can get us sticks and shit, stupid fucks.
Crucify him.
I like the spear. I like the combo thing. Alright, now what do we need to do? We need to go make that base camp or something? Bitch!
Yeah, bitch, you missed.
Yeah.
Get his ass! Pussy!
Nope. Great.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna play them games? Okay. I got you. Don't worry.
We just had to breathe.
Ah, you don't like when Jimmy pulls out the 9, do you?
You're not even 21 yet, pussy. Can't even own that.
I am 21.
Alright, so what do we need to do now?
Don't waste the ammo.
Yeah, we only have like 3 shots.
I have 8. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. I have 8 boxes.
You took all the ammo? Bitch.
You get just the same amount of ammo as me, you idiot.
I only shot it once, and it says I have 2. Maybe 2 boxes, I don't know.
2 boxes. Retard. Well, you don't reload after you shoot once.
Oh,
I just made that
makes
mistake.
sense. Well, I didn't know. So what are we doing right now?
What are you doing?
What do we need to do?
How do I combine my pistol rail?
Yeah. Go in there and push the 9.
Yeah, but that's what the fuck I just did.
Dipskis. You good?
Okay.
Where are we going?
Oh, I see now.
Hey, dipshit. I think he has his mic on mute on accident.
What? No, I don't. I'm talking right now.
Not
Actually,
you.
you're right. I've been sitting here fucking
Oh,
talking
okay.
this whole fucking time.
Okay, maybe he's on a phone call, you know, get benefit of the doubt.
I shot him
God.
in the back.
Damn it!
Happens.
Alright, we'll follow this stream up to the fucking rebreather.
I'm gonna drink a little bit of water real quick.
I'll fucking follow your stream.
Doing fat piece of shit.
Make some armor.
That pisses me off.
What's that?
Pisses me off.
Ooh, berries.
Never mind, I ain't making shit of armor because I ain't got no cloth. Fuck me. This nigga's over there slapping logs.
Is there a cave up there or something?
Yeah, where that purple marker is, there's a cave, and that's where the rebreather is.
What the fuck is a rebreather?
Where you can breathe
Go
underwater.
underwater, you fucking retard.
What?
Actually, I
Where you
think
go
I'm.
underwater, dude?
It's a fucking oxygen tank for when you go swimming underwater in caves.
Oh wait, look, I thought that was like the name of one of the like fucking crazy people. Oh, I'm so fucking serious. I was like, what the fuck is that?
There's a slingshot up here too.
Slingshot engage.
This man, this fucking started talking
I'm all,
about alligator
I'm all
night.
jacked up on Mountain Dew.
I'll jump on you like a spider monkey.
Hell yeah!
Take my ibuprofen, dog.
I'm 8 years old, but I'll whoop your ass.
You right, you right. Shut up, Chip.
Shut the hell up, Chip.
We got spider monkeys up here.
Oh, okay. Speaking of which, ah, bitch, fuck you.
Bitch screaming loud as fuck.
Right?
Damn.
I thought I was just the only
Fuck
one.
up.
Y'all fucking left me in the dirt, dude.
Well, come on then.
Did you fucking sit there
I
looking
can't
like an idiot all
fucking-
day?
I can't hold the stick that fucking long.
Oh, work on your
Ah, fucking
My bad.
poke me, sucker.
I didn't know you were right there on me. He'll drown.
Oh, you cocksucker.
Get off my homie, man.
I was just
Get your ass
vibrating,
beat,
man.
bitch.
Swimming upriver.
If they jump in the water and it's deep enough, they'll drown.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, they can't swim.
Nice.
I tell you what, when I went and got that fucking, I don't remember what I was getting. I fucking made like 20 of them just drown while they were jumping at me.
Oh,
I was like, all right, that's the new trick in the book. All right.
Were you almost here? Fuck. There we go. I'm stuck on a fucking rock.
Alright. So there's gonna be a super
You beavers,
fucking
I'm stuck on the same
hard.
fucking rock.
There's gonna be a super fucking hard.
Super hard.
Cannibal
okay,
in there.
kinky. I like it. Oh, cannibal.
Everybody pull out the 9.
Oh,
If we're talking
Sounds like-
about the jaws looking motherfucker, a 9mm, you'll waste all your ammo before you kill it. You'd have better luck throwing a C4 charge at them.
Ooh, I got those. I got 2 of them.
Only takes one. Shit, if you get a herd of them motherfuckers in one spot, it'll blow them all up.
I don't think this is the rebreather spot.
Yeah, I think where we spawned it is
I
the
think this
rebreather.
is
I think.
flashlight.
Oh.
No, this is flashlight guy.
Somebody's coming after me. Somebody's coming after me. Oh fuck, 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 fuck. He just screamed in my ear.
It just came to my ear too.
Yeah, this is rebreather spot.
It's where this way.
No, this is flashlight. I mean, not rebreather.
Oh fuck.
We got
My fucking
Pretty
thumb's so sore, dude, but I don't want to let go of the fucking running stick.
go up here, dumbasses. There should be food and a fucking bottle of vodka so we can make Molotovs and shit.
Vodka. Wait, I thought we were just getting drunk. Go where?
Should be right there by that
There?
rock. No,
Oh,
dumbass.
shit.
Fucking blind. Right here. Now I'll go down here and we can get the flashlight.
Ooh, more rope. Hell yeah.
Oh, fuck. Yay, flashlight.
One person hold a flashlight and a fucking spear, and the others hold a bow.
Ow.
Where's the flashlight?
It's down
What is
below.
the thing fucking going haywire, dude?
It's your GPS because you're near the location where you're supposed to go.
That deal you gotta pick up, it'll go off when you pick it up. It's a GPS locator. I'm going over here to the fucking... See if this is the rebreather spot or if it's a shovel. I can't remember.
Ooh, the sloppy Joe MRE. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Alright, making Molotovs real quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
How the fuck do I make a Molotov?
You combine a
Cloth and vodka?
a vodka and a cloth, yeah. You can also make a bomb with a watch, coins, cloth, and vodka. and the computer chips that you get out of fucking electronics, little motherboard. So, and you make a sticky bomb if you put sap on it.
Nice. Good for you coming.
Damn, dipshit.
Yeah, where y'all at?
I'm rolling to the right.
Oh, to the right.
I'm a firm believer and confident in myself and kicking ass. You heard?
I'm deaf.
Whoa, this is a new spot.
Are you going to this cave up here?
There's a cave right here and there's a cave over here, I
I'm going
believe.
to this cave over here. We need to make bird houses so we can get feathers.
Run away from that bitch.
Okay,
She fucking
wouldn't let me
screaming.
up. Yeah, I know.
I don't remember which one
Oh,
it
I
is,
hear
so
music.
I'm gonna look.
Don't like
It
it.
might be the wrong one.
I don't think I've been to this one yet.
I think this is the
Yeah, I haven't been to this one
shovel.
yet.
Yeah, this is a shovel. We gotta go to the one where we spawned. That's where the rebreather is. But you can get an air tank.
Oh, there's a fucking deer. Whoa.
Hurry
Get
up.
a sh-
Waiting on you.
I'm hurrying.
fuck up. You're annoying.
I'm chasing this
Faggot.
fucking deer.
Alright, we gotta go get the.
Faggot fuck.
Fuck you, Bambi. Come back.
Where's this shit
Yeah,
at?
bitch.
Alright,
Cutting
we
you up
gotta
One place, retard.
go get the rebreather and then we'll go get the rope gun.
Y'all want some Bambi? I caught it.
I don't want no
You sh-
Bambi.
You
I
shouldn't
want
have
some
killed it yet.
pussy.
Probably shouldn't have killed it yet. 'cause
Well,
we
I don't
need a
have that
drying
meat.
rack. A drying rack to dry it out.
I have to go inside of this cave.
Oh.
No,
already
you
went.
gotta have
Already
a,
went.
You gotta have
Already
the rope
went.
gun.
I'm already going back to where they are going.
I'm gonna go to this dot over here real quick.
Where do I go at? Because I went inside that cave.
Turn back around and you can go back out.
Where's the fucking oxygen shit at?
That's where
We
we're
hit
going.
the wrong one, bro.
What was I supposed to grab over here?
Slingshot. On the dead bodies, on the sticks.
Ah, fuck.
Oh.
I didn't grab that. Oh well.
Well, I'm still here if you want to come get it. I'll wait for you.
Alright.
Bro, this guy that's crawling on his hands and knees is following me.
You coming?
Probably waiting to attack you.
Oh, fuck it.
He's probably waiting on some dick.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. Wait, what?
He's like, come here, boy. I'm gonna get me some stroganoff.
Stroking something off. DW, is this supposed to be family orientated or not?
Fuck that faggot streams.
What'd you say?
I don't give a fuck.
Okay. I just want
As
to
long
make
as you
sure.
aren't saying the fucking N-word.
Oh. Like bitch boy?
Don't say that shit no more.
Right.
The only time a month I don't say it is Black History Month.
Well, we're out of the month.
Fuck Black History Month.
Oh yeah, I forget. We only give them like the shortest month in the year.
We're in Women's History Month now.
Fuck that shit. I need a white men's history month.
I was talking about that today.
That's what I need.
I think that's supposed to be President's Day. Oh wait, I forgot about Obama. If you count him.
Somebody pick me up.
You mean the second shittiest president we ever
Oh, you're
had?
dead? He's down.
I
Oh,
fucking
shit,
fell
we
off
are-
the fucking cliff.
I don't know how to get
I think
down
we need
there.
the I think we need the shovel for this one.
Oh shit.
Come this way.
Yeah, I see it.
I'm just
Yeah,
a
where-
respawn and fucking.
We're on our way to you. Oh, You are already gone, I guess.
Yay, I got printer resin. Come to this fucking golf cart over here to get printer resin.
What is that?
So we can 3D print.
So you can make shit.
Like make what?
Arrows,
God damn,
water
how many times we gotta
flies.
say this shit?
Talked about it earlier. Golf cart, golf cart.
Dude, my
There's nothing-
fucking
What I'm
thumb
standing
hurts
on.
from this shit.
Oh,
I got it.
dang. What's this? Nope, nope. Fuck you, bird.
Yeah, we need the shovel for this one. Fuck.
Fuck you, bitch. Fuck out of
Well,
here.
I'm just engaging the. Whoa, you bitch! Well, you better take your ass the fuck on, or you catch some arrows up in your mouth. Boy, bitch,
We're going to the
boy.
other dot down here.
Ah, I'm running. I'm running. 3 fucking spiders jumped out of nowhere as soon as y'all left me.
Well, yeah, you were alone. That's why we gotta move.
Oh, my fucking thumb hurts.
Oh shit, there's a camp up here. Hell yeah.
Yeah, there's
Let's
stuff
fly.
in it. I just came from there.
Anything worth a damn?
Batteries.
There's skin packs.
There's batteries too. And food.
A bunch of stuff. I'm gonna go over here to the rebreather
Where's the rebreather?
where we spawned in that first cave.
Beavers, wait for me.
Batteries.
I'll wait up here on this rock for
Route?
y'all.
That route?
Yeah, on the rock. While I eat my fish.
Do you have a
I'm
EE
waiting
sticker
on-
on the back
I'm
of your
waiting on
fucking
beavers.
truck?
Let's see if there's anything else. worth a
No.
damn. I collected a skull and I don't know why.
Hug it.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking,
Oh, you can use it to make a club. A
too.
wooden club.
Okay. Yeet. Yeet.
Did you just take something out of my backpack, faggot fuck?
No.
Wait, we can do that.
Fucker. Yeah.
No,
Leaf
I think
armor.
this is all my stuff, to be honest.
Leaves and okay.
I think I can give you stuff.
I know that you can give me shit.
Alright. I'm on a trip with my favorite rocket ship. Shooting bitches.
Hold on, I'm making leaf armor.
What? Well, just catch up.
Little Einstein.
Open your.
Open the door. Open the door.
Open
Open.
your door.
Open the door.
What the fuck?
Open the door.
No.
Open the
He's
door.
like, no.
I don't wanna.
Open the door.
Fuck that door.
Yeah.
Open the door.
Well, stand in the door.
Yeah, this is the right case.
In the door.
Hold my arrow. Oh, you bitch! You jumped right when I fucking shot it.
Me?
Me, I'm
I don't know where
guessing.
my arrow went.
Are y'all shooting arrows out here?
Yeah, I shot a arrow at homie. And right when I did, he fucking jumped.
Open your door. Open your door.
Bruh.
What's up?
This guy. This guy is literally hitting the Gwitty on the sand.
Okay.
Big Boy 3 Gaming is literally hitting the Gwitty in the sand. With an axe. He's hitting the Gwitty with an
I'm
axe.
going swimming.
What's this? Yeet. Fuck your
I
bucket.
see some fishies.
Fishies. Wee! Fishy, fishy, fishy.
Y'all don't understand how much pain I'm getting in my thumb right now.
Well, then work out your thumb. I don't know.
Do it to
To the
use your
gym,
controller.
like, doing thumb ups.
Who wants to be the flashlight bitch with a spear?
Who wants to build a snowman? Oh, sorry.